Another day, another English lesson. Common mistakes, specially, versus especially. Do you ever get confused between specially and especially? You're not alone. Many English learners and even native speakers mix them up. The good news? The difference is simpler than you think. The key difference. Both words are adverbs, but they have different uses. Especially means particularly or above all. Examples. I love all desserts, especially chocolate cake. Chocolate cake is my favorite. She's always kind, especially to new students. She's particularly kind to them. Specially means for a special purpose or in a special way. Examples. These shoes were specially made for runners, designed for a specific purpose. He baked a cake specially for her birthday, made in a special way for the occasion. Quick trick to remember. Think of the E in especially as emphasis. It highlights something important. Think of the S in specially as specific. It's for a particular reason. Now, complete the sentences with specially or especially. One, the car was specially equipped with snow tires. Two, he loves animals, especially cats. Three, she's good at all sports, but especially tennis. Four, the money is specially printed on special paper. Five, the company created a specially tailored training program. Six, that book was difficult to read, especially the last few chapters. Seven, I cooked this dish specially for our anniversary dinner. Eight, this software was specially designed for beginners. Nine, the teacher praised all the students, especially Maria, for her creativity. Ten, they wore clothes specially made for cold climates. "11. I enjoy outdoor activities, especially hiking in the mountains. "12. The weather is cold here in winter, especially in January. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.